This week's Torah portion, Beha'alotcha, opens with God's instructions to Aaron about how to light the lamps of the menorah. But it's hard to understand why these instructions come here in Parshat Beha'alotcha instead of, say, in Parshat Pekudei when the Mishkan is set up, or in Parshat Shmini when the Mishkan is dedicated. Why do we wait so long, more than halfway through the Torah, before Aaron is instructed to light the menorah? The significance of light as a metaphor for spiritual experience can't be understated. The book of Proverbs tells us, Ki ner mitzvah v'Torah or. The mitzvah, the commandment, is a lamp, and the Torah is light. The analogy of light in our tradition is to the very essence of Torah itself. And we see that light has very specific, unique properties that are only its own in the natural world. Only light travels indefinite distances, never slowing down or stopping or really changing its speed at all. Only light has the power to be seen across the vast distances of space. And only light, in particular the light of a candle, of a lamp, has the ability to spread itself without diminishing the original thing. And so if we took a glass of water and divided it into two glasses, we would have half as much water in each glass. But if you take a candle and light a second candle, as we all know, the light is merely doubled. The menorah is lit after the census of the Israelites in the first two parshiot of the book of Numbers to remind us, again in the words of the book of Proverbs, Ner Adonai Nishmat Adam, that God's lamp is the human soul. And just as a lamp has the ability to light other lamps and to spread that light without being diminished in itself, the human soul is the vehicle by which the divine light is spread in the world. And so by singling out the lighting of the menorah and distinguishing it from all of the other actions associated with the Mishkan, the Torah reminds us that we need to see ourselves as Ner Adonai, as God's lamp. Shabbat Shalom.